Stop wasting money on expensive apps. These 5 free AI tools do the same job, and they're completely free. In 2026, you don't need to pay for premium software anymore. AI has changed everything. Here are 5 free tools you need to know. Tool number 1. ChatGPT free version replaces expensive writing assistants. Use it for emails, scripts, and ideas, completely free. Tool number 2. Canva free plan replaces Adobe Photoshop. Design thumbnails, posters, and graphics in minutes. Tool number 3. CapCut free version replaces expensive video editors. Edit videos, add captions, export in HD. Tool number 4. Gamma.app replaces PowerPoint. Just type your topic and AI builds a presentation instantly. Tool number 5. Claude.ai replaces expensive copywriting tools. Write scripts, descriptions, and more. Free plan available. Follow AI Vault daily for more free AI tools every week. Save this video. You'll need it.